Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we'll be diving into a critical feature, the diagnosis and plan feature. This feature will enable you to record diagnoses and document your management plan for your patient. Let's start off by taking a quick overview of the diagnosis and plan page. This is where the management plan for the patient is documented. We'll then explore the diagnosis quick and full list, learn how to record differential and final diagnoses, and lastly, get to learn how to quickly find a diagnosis code using Google. Let's start with the overview and the diagnosis and plan page. In here, you'll get to find options where you'll select your diagnosis and plan the treatment. This layout is intuitive, designed to minimize clicks and maximize efficiency. Next, we'll go to the diagnosis quick list and full list. The diagnosis feature includes a quick list of common diagnoses for ease access. But if you need something more specific, you can dive into the full list, which offers a comprehensive range of diagnostic codes. Whether you're handling routine cases or something more complex, you'll find what you need quickly. In this tutorial, we'll be having two diagnoses, one being acute amoebic dysentery and hyperventilation. Acute amoebic will be quickly found in the quick list, and hyperventilation is available in the full ICD-10 list. I'll search for acute amoebic in the ICD-10 quick list, and you can see that it is available here. I'll also search for the hyperventilation diagnosis in a case where you're unsure where it falls under this search list. So here we can see that hyperventilation is not available in the quick list. So the other alternative will be to search it in the full ICD-10 list. And in this case, you can see that it appears in the ICD-10 full list. Next, we have recording differential diagnosis and the final diagnosis. And since I also have to demo on quickly finding a diagnosis code using Google, I'll combine the two for this demo. For our case, we'll use a 15-year-old girl that has come into a facility with the following symptoms: a sore throat, fever, and swollen glands in her neck. As we all know, some symptoms are similar in various diagnoses, and in this case, we have to identify the correct diagnosis. So we'll start by identifying the most likely to be diagnosis and then drilling it out to the final diagnosis. First on our list, we'll have strep throat, a bacterial infection causing sore throat and fever. Next on our list, we'll have viral pharyngitis, a viral infection leading to a sore throat. And lastly, we'll have mononucleosis, a viral infection causing fever, sore throat, and swollen glands. Having identified the three differential diagnoses, we'll head on to the diagnosis and plan feature and search for the diagnosis on the ICD-10 full list. I'll start searching the strep throat. As you can see, there are no results found, so I'll show you on how to quickly search this on Google. I'll open a different tab and search strep throat ICD-10. And on here, you'll be able to see that its code is JO2.0. I'll head back to the search full ICD-10 list on the HMIS and paste my findings there. And you're now able to see that we've identified the correct code on the ICD-10 full list for our diagnosis. We shall do the same for the pharyngitis and mononucleosis. We'll head back to the Google tab and search for viral pharyngitis. And you can see that you've been provided with the correct code for the ICD-10 full list. Let's head back and paste that and do the same for the mononucleosis diagnosis. Again, we'll just do the same for mononucleosis. And you can see that we've also been provided with the correct code again. So we'll just go and paste it so that we can be able to select it. Currently, we have 3 diagnoses selected, but upon taking relevant history, examination, and sending the patient for investigations, the final diagnosis is strep throat. So I'll just proceed by removing the 2 non-applicable diagnoses from this section. Lastly, we'll head to the treatment plan section, where we'll get to input the nutritional treatment plan and also get to add any additional care instructions. So for the nutritional treatment plan, I'll add easy to swallow foods, warm fluids, hydration, and avoid any irritating foods. And as for the additional care instruction, I'll just add throat care and good hygiene practices. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on maximizing our HMIS.